Yeah. You want churu? Yeah. Echo. You want churu? Good girl. Oh, you be a good boy. Yeah. Oh, no. No, don't eat it. Churu. Hold on. I can't even see it. There you go. Good girl. Yeah. Okay, your turn. I was just about to hand it to you anyway. Ah, don't eat it. Or else it's hard to... Don't smack him. Stop. Okay. Okay, back to the baby. Wait, what are you... Don't touch that. You're being dramatic. Stop. Don't eat it. Ow! Do you see Kittle? Kittle's coming. Kittle, you want some churu? You want some churu as well? Can you come down? You come over here? Okay, fine. You can have a little bit more. Stop. You have to share. You have a little sister now. I'm so sorry. That's my bad. Yes, you're a good boy. Kittle, you don't want to be on camera, do you? But you want some churu anyway? You're being a good boy. Yes, you're a very good boy. You're a good baby girl. You're a good boy. You get the rest. Hold on. Stop. Let me squeeze it. Let me squeeze it out. Let me get it out. Hold on. Sir, ma'am. Sir. Hold on. Oh, it's empty now. You good boy. And it's empty. Sure. You both did good. Yes, it's empty. It really is. I promise. I promise it is. I wouldn't lie to you. You're a good boy. You're a good girl.